How to delete Roblox account permanently. So when we are here on the Roblox website, go to the settings. So just simply tap on the gear icon or click on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, then click on settings. Once you're there, when you scroll through all of these, you'll notice that there's no direct button to delete your Roblox account, but there's still a way. Don't worry. What you just need to do is just open up a new tab and just type in Roblox support, just like so. Then click on the first link that pops up. Then once you're here, you'll just need to fill up all of these options, but the main or most important thing to do is here on the issue details, where you will need to click on this please select and just click on the device that you're currently using to use Roblox or something. So I'm currently using PC. Then type of help category, just simply click on that and click on data privacy request. Then this other bar will pop up, just simply click on that also. And the main things that you could use here on the request is right to be forgotten or other privacy request. So just simply click on privacy request so that there are more options. And here on the description, just simply type, please delete my Roblox account and all information in it. So you could also change it if you want, but for this video, I'm just going to put this statement. So please delete my Roblox account with all information in it, and just fill up all of these. So you need to fill up your email address so that you can submit it. So I'm just going to fill up mine right there. Right here, I'm just going to fill up it. Just like so. And once you're done, just click on continue and wait for Roblox to respond to you for a few days or maybe a few hours. And that's how you basically delete your Roblox account permanently.